So you think it's easy being a mechanic? Check this out. This is a Duramax engine in a 2015 Chevy 1-ton truck. Well, first off, we had to pull the whole cab off in order to work on this thing. And then look at this. I mean, just think about this from a mechanic standpoint of view. This thing had heads put on it. Don't ask us why. See the air filter video we did earlier, but all these tubes, all these wires, all these connections. I mean, look at it. I'll give you a little slower look. All these have to go back on the same place. It's quite a thing. I think they should just throw all that emission stuff away and let's find another way to make it cleaner fuel or something. I don't know, but they just got too much junk on these engines. I think for what they slow them down, they burn more fuel getting where you're going because they take you more fuel per mile with all this crap they got on there. But yeah, that's what we do. We got to lift the whole cab comes off. To do that, engines drop out the bottom. To do that, it's crazy. It's just crazy. Check out the End of the Hood show. We'll talk to you about stuff like this all the time. Take care.